dear friends. Today's my presentation, last presentation in MS only. So first, for my topic is television, radio, and e-media. So first, television. Television is a telecommunication medium used for transmitting sound with moving images in black and white or in color and in 2 or 3 dimension. In television, three main parts: TV set, TV transmission, and TV program. So next, television is mass media. Fourth thing in television is mass media: entertainment, education, news, and advertisement. Television become available in the crude experimental forms in the late 1920s. After World War II and improved from become popular in the United States and Britain, and television set become commonplace in home, business, and institutions. During the 1950s, television was the primary medium for influencing public opinion. In the mid-1960s, color broadcasting was introduced in the US and most other developed countries. A standard television set is composed of multiple internal electronic circuits, including a tuner for receiving and decoding broadcast signals, a visual display device which leg of tuner is corrected for a video monitor rather than a television. Second is radio. Radio is the use of radio waves to carry information such as sound by systematically modulating some property, and electromagnetic energy waves transmitted through space such as amplitude, frequency, phase, or pulse width. When radio waves strike an electronic conductor, the oscillating fields induce alternative current in the conductor. The information in the waves can be extracted and transformed back into its original form. Radio systems need a transmitter to modulate some property of the energy produced to impress a signal on it. For example, using amplitude modulation or angle modulation. Radio systems also need an antenna convert electronic currents into radio waves, and vice versa. An antenna can be used for both transmitting and receiving. The electronic resonance of turn circuits in radio allows individual stations to be selected. The electromagnetic wave is intercepted by a turn receiving antenna. A radio receiver is input from an antenna and convert it into a form usable for the consumer, such as sound, pictures, digital data, measurement value, navigational positions, etc. Radio frequencies occupy the range of the 3 kHz and 300 GHz, although commercially important use of radio use only a small part of the spectrum. A radio communication system sends a signal by radio. The radio equipment involved in communication system include a transmitter and a receiver, each having an antenna and appropriate terminal equipment such as a microphone at the transmitter and a loudspeaker at the receiver in the case of the voice communication system. Now e-media. E-media is electronic media. Electronic media are media that use electronic or electromechanical energy for the end user to access the content. This is a contrast to static media, which today are most often created electronically but do not require electronics to be accessed by the end user in the printed form. We all use the electronic media that for online quiz, internet, use internet, and any media, for example, laptop, tablet, smartphone, Android phone, that all is electronic media. Electronic media are media that use electronic and electromechanical energy for the end user to access the content. This is in static media, which today are most often created electronically but do not require electronics to access by the end user in the printed form. The primary electronic media sources familiar to the general public are videos recording, audio recording, multimedia presentations, slide presentation, CD-ROM, and online content. Most new media are in the form of digital media. However, electronic media form may be in either analog electronics data or digital electronic data format. Although the term is usually associated with content recorded on a storage medium, recordings are not required for live broadcasting and online networking. Any equipment used in the electronic communication process may also be considered electronic media. For example, television, radio, telephone, desktop computer, game console, handheld device, etc. So thank you.